product's liability actions may be brought for manufacturing or design defects. There are various tests to determine liability. In Potter v. Chicago Pneumatic Tool Company, the court analyzed the possible approaches after defectively designed shipyard tools injured workers. John Potter and others worked as grinders at a shipyard and used pneumatic hand tools to smooth welds and metal surfaces. These tools were manufactured and sold by Chicago Pneumatic and 2 other companies. The grinders used these tools for approximately 25 years. Eventually, they suffered from permanent vascular and neurological impairment of their hands, which caused numbness, clumsiness from restricted blood flow, pain, loss of grip strength, and other issues. They couldn't work as grinders. Their symptoms were consistent with hand-arm vibration syndrome. Vibration exposure is a significant contributing factor and increases the risk of developing the syndrome. An industrial hygienist at the shipyard conducted extensive testing of the shipyard's tools and found that many of them violated the established limits for vibration exposure. Various methods were available to control vibration in these tools. Designs could be modified to reduce vibration levels. Potter and the others brought a product's liability action against the manufacturers, claiming the tools made by the companies were defectively designed and caused their injuries. The jury found for the workers. The companies appealed. The workers cross-appealed.